Imagine what INNIO would look like if we were all aware of our stereotypes. Imagine what INNIO would look like if we understood that embracing an inclusive work culture is a core enabler of growth and value creation. How would our interactions with each other, our clients, and society at large change? To visualize this, let's first understand what unconscious bias really is. A bias is a prejudice in favor of or against one thing, person, or group, which is often seen as unfair. Unconscious biases are based on past experiences and are social stereotypes about certain groups of people that we form outside our own conscious awareness. We all hold unconscious beliefs about various social groups. These biases are shortcuts for our brains to categorize the world we live in. A great deal of research has explored the impact of unconscious racial bias and discrimination. It is also important to recognize that we have unconscious biases towards other groups based on their age, gender, special abilities, religion, sexual orientation, weight, and other characteristics. The impact of unconscious bias can be significant. Unconscious bias in the workplace can hinder diversity, recruiting, and retention efforts. It can skew talent and performance reviews. It affects who gets hired, promoted, and developed, which can undermine an organization's culture. As a global company, we at INNIO are committed to practicing inclusion, equality, and human rights for all. Our company is stronger when the diversity of our employees reflects the customers, communities, and people we serve. At INNIO, inclusion and diversity is more than social justice. It's critical to achieving a competitive advantage.